Well now, it's actually pretty rare to see this. Most of the time when you find these things, they're always already in a tree or on the side of a tree or on your tire. I found them on my truck tire. But it's very rare to catch one when it's just come out of the ground and crawling. This is very neat. Okay, you might not think it's that big of a deal, but it's cool. Yep, he's still in there. He's looking for a spot to go. See the dirt on him? He has just come out of the ground. It really is quite rare to see the cicadas, if I'm saying it right. Because usually when they come out, I never really actually see them come out. Look at him trying to grab my fingers. He's not happy with all of that.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Oh! A monster has got me!
Well, let's get him on his way. Alright. Doggone text message had to come through. He messed me up. So, let's find him a good spot. Actually, this is the second one I have found this year. And that was still alive and climbing. So, let go of my finger. Find you a good spot up there in my dogwood. Get on up there. Where'd he go? He's up there. Get up there in that dogwood somewhere. And then he'll come out of that shell. And I'll find him. So, anyways, I thought that was pretty cool. Because as often as you find them, find the shells they leave behind after they shed and all, it's not too often you see them like that. Pretty neat. Yeah. I'm just so easily entertained, I suppose. Have a good Monday. What? You're still here?